How to get Uhaul discount promo codes. Now in this very quick video, I'm gonna show you how you could get an actual or Burger King discount promo codes if you're gonna be using Uhaul platform. So first off, open up your preferred web browser, but on this video, I'm gonna be using Google Chrome. You're just gonna have to visit a website that's gonna be called Simply Codes. Click on the very first one so that you'll be redirected into their official site. Simply Codes actually providing us free coupon codes, discount codes, or any type of codes, as long as the availability of that code that you will be using is still working. So once you're here, all you have to do is go into the search box and type in U-Haul. Let's see if it's here. So as you can see, it is indicating here as 0, but you just have to click that so that you can maximize all the options that you can do or you can use. So as you can see, the specific codes right here has its own subscription. So it was being last used 5 months ago or 5 minutes ago, and it is currently used up by 426 users. So for you to use this, you simply click on show code and copy that unique code and paste it into U-Haul. And that's it. That's how you get U-Haul discount promo codes.